Hi there, I'm Teddy Sumude with RE/MAX First, and welcome to 818 43rd Street, Unit B. This is a duplex. It's a really special duplex. It's been extensively remodeled. It does have an amazing backyard with an outdoor kitchen, really nice yard space in the front, and the inside has been redone. It has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. There is room to add another bathroom if you wanted. It has a laundry room, updated kitchen. They pitch the ceiling so it has beautiful wood beam ceilings, and it has a beautiful pellet stove with stacked stone fireplace. So let's go in, take a look around. If you have any questions, message me here and I'll get right back to you. Let's go on in. Notice the beautiful wood beam ceilings. They did pitch the ceiling. Originally it was a flat roof. They raised the ceiling. It does have attic space. Then you've got the recessed lighting, tongue and groove ceiling, beautiful wood floors. It does have updated windows. And then what I love about this, the stacked stone, this is a pellet stove, so it warms really nice, especially today in this cold weather. And then you have the owner suite on this side with the beautiful updated bathroom. So what the owners did was, originally this was a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. They took the 2nd bedroom and extended the owner suite wall and made a very nice walk-in closet and a huge laundry room. And then it's open to the updated kitchen. You have gas cooking. Then you have a 2nd bedroom in the closet. The owner suite does have access to the backyard, which has a really nice deck, and you can see the outdoor kitchen. Okay, here we are outside in this beautiful covered kitchen area. You've got the nice wood accents, wood covered porch. You have the kitchen area off the grill. The grill is hooked up to the gas line, so you never need propane. Just click on the gas and you're ready to cook. And it has this outdoor bar area. There is a place for a sink if you wanted to add a sink. Plenty of space for firewood and storage. And then you go on out to the yard, and then you do have a couple little sheds. It does back up to county land. You have tennis courts and open space, so you have nobody behind you. So the location is really nice. The address is 818 43rd Street. It is Unit B. It's a 2-bedroom, beautifully updated, 1 bathroom updated, really nice kitchen, amazing backyard. So if you have any questions, just message me here and I'll get right back to you. I'm Teddy Sue with RE/MAX First.